Welcome to the end of work, why AI agents are going to be the last employees. And like all of the other content on my channel, it's about how you can get rich from this, how you can profit from the latest trends that are happening in the AI automation space all around us. And I want you to understand that this is now a reality. Like Hollywood has been projecting this for years, where agents are going to become autonomous and start taking over human jobs, and this has been all over the news, but now it's actually happening in front of us. And you can see how there's countless articles about agents are actually coming here to replace human functions. There's mass layoffs taking place. Employees are being let go because autonomous agents are coming, and they're doing a far, far better job than human beings ever were. We're seeing this in a variety of different industries, so to be honest, nobody's safe, except for the people who can create the AI agents, who can deploy them, who can help businesses transform themselves into businesses of the future. And that's exactly what my channel, what my content, and what my mission is all about, and that's what I do for a living. So I'm going to break that all down for you, but just in case you don't know who I am, my name is Hamza Beg. I go by Hamza Automates on social platforms. I run a 7-figure award-winning AI automation agency. You can see my awards here, winning the Platinum SaaSpreneur Award for Go High Level, putting me in the top 50 out of 60,000 plus different agencies. I also won their Affiliateer Award, putting me in a very unique position that not only have I been able to scale my own agency, but I've successfully been able to teach other people how to do that as well. All that to say is that if there's anybody on YouTube that you should be listening to in regards to making money with AI automation agencies, I'm your guy. And just to add on to that, I also run one of the biggest AI automation communities on planet Earth, which is the Automation Incubator, currently with 26,000 members. I'm going to show you more of this in the end, but it's basically the one resource that you need to create and sell automations to local businesses and create a income with it. So you can see all of the different wins that we've had throughout that community. But now the main disparity that I want to show you is what the old business model was pre-AI. So the old business model, if you wanted more revenue, you had to hire more sales reps. If you wanted more product, you had to add more engineers. If you wanted more customers, you had to expand your customer support team. This was the golden standard of how you wanted to run a business. Now even Salesforce, which is one of the most efficient companies in the world, still only make about $380K per employee because they rely heavily on human labor. This is something that they are now changing. They've deployed thousands of AI agents to run a lot of their functions, bringing them into the new wave, an AI native model that's going to be very popular in 2025 and beyond, where every employee you hire is a force multiplier, not a capacity unit. That basically means that one employee does not equal one employee anymore. One employee equals the output of 10, 20, 30 employees. And using that, you can scale through AI automation instead of hiring. And human hours are no longer the limit to human potential. Now, as cliche as that sounds, that is very true. AI agents can work 24/7 around the clock at 100x output that a human being could. And now startups today, this is a real fact. So startups today can reach $30 million in recurring revenue with just 3 founders. This is a case study that I'll take you guys through later, but 3 founders, are able to basically build massive businesses where typically in the past, they would need at least 250 employees for the same revenue. This is happening right in front of us, and you can be a part of that if you can be the person to provide these AI employees to businesses. Now, how exactly does it work? So the rise of AI agents and why they're the biggest opportunity right now. So there are AI agents can basically act as AI employees. So you can think of like a code assistant like Cursor. Cursor is a very strong example. Can help one engineer do the work of 15. So you can approach any business, whether they're running a software company or a product company or they have a startup, you can approach them and say, hey, I'm going to help you deploy an AI agent to basically 15x your output for your engineers. That can allow you guys to scale and ship your product much faster, but also scale back your salary base and save a lot of money there. Same with AI sales reps. They can analyze thousands of leads and close deals autonomously. This is the most popular because it's revenue generating. You wouldn't believe how many AI agents that I've deployed into businesses who now are qualifying leads, booking appointments, and sometimes even closing deals. All AI, and the leads have no idea that they're speaking to AI, which is insane. And then you can also have customer service. So 90% of support tickets can be resolved without human agents. This is a reality now. The agents are getting so strong, especially with voice AI, that customer service is going to be completely revolutionized. So any business out there that has any sort of customer support function or even anything consumer facing like a receptionist will be replaced by agents, and you can be the one to provide that. There's a real life example of a company called Swan, and Swan basically only has 3 founders. They have no other employees, and they're leveraging AI agents, and they're generating about 300K weekly in pipeline. They're building product features in days instead of months, and they're scaling like never before. So they're proving this concept that, you don't need employees anymore. You can rely solely on these agents to basically run a business for you and act as your employees. So this is the reality, and now it's happening, of course, with these forward-thinking startups, but those businesses of the past, older brick and mortar businesses or businesses that have been around for 20, 30, 40, 50 years, they are still the ones where there's a massive opportunity because they still have employees, yet those employees could be replaced. And that's going to lead into how you can profit from this gold rush. So there's two ways. One, of course, is you can use AI agents to scale your own business. So if you're looking to, create your own company or a business and you want to basically have a competitive advantage, then of course you can use agents in that business and you can turn your one-person team into a 10-person efficiency, meaning that you don't have to hire employees, you can work faster, and you have better profit margins. That's one option. You can basically build a business using agents. But the other option, which I prefer obviously, is to sell AI agents as a business. Now this is where I think is the biggest opportunity, because thousands of businesses out there, they want AI agents. They're reading the same news that we're all reading. They're seeing this and they're like, you know what, if my competitors are deploying AI agents, then I'm cooked. I absolutely cannot compete because I have to pay human beings and there's so many limitations. So they know that they want AI agents, but they don't know how to set it up. It's not that simple. I mean, for someone watching this, you're probably forward thinking, you consume a lot of AI content, but the average person, the average, human being barely knows how to use ChatGPT, right? So because of that, that's where the knowledge gap is, and that's going to be your biggest advantage, because if you can learn how to set them up, then you have that edge. So you can offer custom AI solutions like lead gen agents, support bots, automation tools, all of these things to help them with their business. And because it's such a high value and high ticket service, you can charge 5K, 10K, or even 50K for an AI powered workflow to basically transform their business. And they're still going to be on top because it's significantly cheaper and has a better output than if they hired a human anyway. So, I mean, you can imagine like what an AI-powered sales agent that closes deals for you 24/7 while your competitors still rely on human cold callers would do. Like the output difference there would be astronomical. So that's why companies will pay huge money for that advantage, and they absolutely are. This is not something that I'm just telling you. You can see for yourself that businesses are paying so much money to have these services. And now if you pivot into how to get started with selling agents, so this is the most important part, of course, you need to learn how AI automation works. So understand ChatGPT, Make.com, understand how to work with APIs and build chatbots. Fortunately for you, like I mentioned, I do run a free school community that teaches exactly this. So all of my content inside of here is free. This is not how I make money. I run my own agency, of course. So you can join the community, and if you go through the course, it teaches you the automation basics, the things that I told you. But here in level 3, I have an entire section on AI agents, how to set them up, how to create an Instagram agent, website agent, voice AI, lead follow-up agent using DeepSeek. So I've got all of these tutorials right here ready to go. And if you need my pre-built templates, then I can provide those to you as well. So this community is really geared towards that, and you can access that at skool.com/automate. Link will also be in the description. So you can basically join here and start learning how automation works immediately. Then from there, all that matters is sales. So in the course as well, I have an entire sales and marketing course which teaches you how to identify the biggest pain points in the business, whether they need a sales or support or operations agent. You figure out what they need, then you package these agents as a done-for-you offer and basically act as like a recruiting firm and say, you need this employee in your business, I'm going to create you an agent that does this and gets that outcome for you. Then you can sell your solution to businesses who are desperate to automate. And the best part obviously is that you don't need to code. Everything inside my tutorials and the way that I teach is completely no code. It's made for beginners who want to make money with AI and automations. So tools like Make and Zapier and all of that are simple, just drag and drop builders. So you can build automations without any technical experience, and that's where this really matters. If you just invest time and you bridge that knowledge gap between you and the average business owner, that's where you're going to make your money. So the AI revolution is here. You can either ride the wave or you can get left behind. Obviously, I don't need to tell you that if you're watching this video and you made it all the way to the end, but agents is a massive opportunity. AI employees are going to absolutely take over, and if you want to be the one to bring this change, then you're going to make a lot of money in the process. So the next steps for you is I highly recommend that you jump into the Automation Incubator. It's completely free to join at skool.com/automate. Once you're in, get started on the videos. I want to remind you that this is a game of speed. You're not the only one watching this video. You're not the only one who had the idea for AI agents. So you are competing in your local market against other people who want to do this as well. So you need to act quickly while the opportunity is still ripe and start building these agents and selling them to every business near you that you can find. If you have any questions, you can message me directly on Skool.com as well. You can just hover over my name, click chat. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I'll see you inside.